I didn't get a large. Hello there, how's it going? Ty from Mukbang, and today just let me show you all my food. I got some Burger King, got some chips here. I got a I didn't get a large combo. And also I let the lady decide what type of burger I was going to get. Was it beef or chicken? And we'll see that in a minute once I start the mukbang. Something else I got a chicken burger right here. Some tasty hash bites right here. So let's take a look at these hash bites that I got. See how those go. Not bad, not bad. There's a bit of pineapple in this. No, I don't know what this is called, but it's Hawaiian. It is Hawaiian. This cheese does taste extra good. Like, it tastes refined. It tastes like it's got a sweet sort of flavor to it. Just look at that little bit of bacon just hanging off. So this bacon is like very powerful. It's strong and the meat is intense, so you can really taste it. Like, it's very strong in flavor. So with those words that I said, it's powerful, and like it's really got a lot sort of going for it. Okay, now you guys. There we go, beef. This is what the lady at the place recommended for me, so I got it. Now let's try this out. See how this beef triple rodeo mega stacker goes. I also got these. What are they called? Firing up your taste buds. There's the nice little lettering on the box, and then it's got spicy chicken fries right there with a little picture over here, and then hot, hot, hot. All right, here they are. Take a look in the packet, guys. Grab me some if you would like. Woo! So these come with some sweet and sour sauce, or you can choose other sauces. I'm going to need this sweet and sour sauce because these are extremely hot. Spicy chicken fries, and they definitely taste like that. Spicy chicken fries. They got some crumbed sort of stuff around the outside there, and it sort of does look like it's a spicy type of food. You know me, I've always got to be dunking this like this. I got a dessert over here too, but we'll save that towards the end of my mukbang. Man, not gonna lie, my people, the place where I am is always packed with like people eating fast food. And if they're not eating, like, I don't mean to be peering at these people, but there's like untold people just sitting in their car. If they're not eating, they're just sitting in there. So just while I'm trying to find the park, like, I see all of this stuff. So I've got a few pieces of fries left in here. I gotta see if I can give them to someone. because I don't want to be overeating here. I don't want to be overeating all of this food, so I gotta see if I can give those to someone who will appreciate them and who doesn't have a full stomach. Time for another bite of this. Yep. I better start eating this dessert because I don't want to be full and got no room for it. There's some biscuit on the top there, and this is caramel and ice cream, and it's Biscoff, but I don't know the full name of it. Okay, here goes nothing, guys. I can definitely taste the caramel. You guys need to try this. Get a taste of this, you guys. Oh yes. The Biscoff is really nice. It's got like a sweet sort of almost like it tastes sort of vibrant. Like there's a lot of feeling and a lot of things going on with this Biscoff. I just want to get to the bottom of this and see what's down there. The biscuit on top is crunchy. Oh man, I thought they put on some hokey pokey, but it was not hokey pokey. It's only biscuit and there's caramel. I'm thinking that there's caramel drizzle just down the bottom, all in there. Caramel drizzle somewhere, I'm thinking, you guys. There is a little bit of caramel. I found this down the bottom.